So my dear students, now if there is a mathematics that you have to find out SWR or standing wave ratio, how can you deal with it? Okay, first of all, in that mathematics, that is the normalized characteristics impedance 2 plus 2j ohms has been given. For the kind of for your uh, understanding of the mathematics, just don't give the similar patterns. I will give just 2 plus j. That is quite easy to draw. Now 2, that is 2.0, that is the circle, and another thing is that is the 2.0 of the curve. Just take the curve from here, that's the point. Notice that's not the 2, that is, I have taken here 1j. Sorry, that should have to be start from 1j in that point. So just traverse it from there, just traverse it from there, traverse it from there. That's the point. That's the point of confliction. So that is the point that is 2 plus j is constructed. Now, how that can you find the SWR? To find the SWR, you have to draw a straight line from 1.0 line, that is 1.0, you know, the one circle that radius 1 here. You have to take a straight line from here. Okay, that is the straight line, and this straight line should beyond these lines. Okay, that is the straight line. To make it more correct, that is the straight line. Okay, after finding out the straight line, now what is gonna happen? Now you have to draw a circle. You have to draw a circle around it. Okay, around it you have to draw a circle around it by taking the radius of it. It should be I'm not well at this drawing. But you should start from here. Well, approximately that is the circle. So if that circle that cuts in that line, that is the value of SWR. Let us find what is the value here of the SWR. If it is 3, that is 3 point okay, just go 3. If you try to draw the circle from here, that's the point. It is 3.5. Sorry, not 3.5, that is decreasing. 2.9 or 2.8. Approximately 2.8 will be the answer. So that is gonna be the SWR of the system, the transmission line, according to Smith chart. You have to just draw just a circle on it. So circle should have to be, it is difficult for me to draw, but still I try. That's so that I have just draw. Okay, that's the thing that you have to find out SWR, draw a circle around it. Now, if anyone wants you to find out what is the voltage maxima or minima, how that can you deal with it? Okay, there is a math, 0.4 lambda from the maxima. You have to find out the maxima, how that can, if it is from the load, So just you have to go through to this, whether the points has been cut. In that point, that is 0.29, 0.28, so that will be 0.285 middle of it, and 0.22 and 0.21, that will be 0.215 from here, from the load to generator. If you want to find out this value from the total circle, it will come. So how did you find out the maxima and the minima? So if you want to find out the maxima, the theory is that you have to go through to that is the 0.5, 0.25, that is the maxima point, and that is the minima point shift. If you want to just get the value of point, the maximum point, so you have to traverse from here to there. What is the value? That is 0.25. What is the value? If it is from load, so you have to take this value, 0.29 or 295, or that is 28, that's 285. So if you just subtract 0.285 to 0.25 and make out of it from maxima or minima, you need not to have this thing. You are finding out maxima or minima. Then if it is maxima, so you have to find out this value. If it is from generator, so you have to subtract this from this, and if it is from load, you have to subtract this scale from this. So if it is load, it's 0.295 minus 0.25 into lambda. Whether the value of lambda, that will be the answer of the minima shift. And if you want to find out minima, so you have to traverse from there the total circle. You have to just traverse from there total circle to 0. Just traverse the total circle. Okay, it's difficult for me to show you, but you have to traverse from here, and that will go through to here to the point 0.0. From here, just from here, you have to just totally traverse from it, and you can find out what's going to happen with the load or generator. So that is the value of finding out the value of maxima or minima. Now there is no maxima or minima has been given, they are just given that is the minima shift 0.4. So what you should do, you should first of all find out 0.4. What is the 0.4 is? It is load or it's a generator. If it is a load, go through to here, there is the load, that is 0.4. At that point, just subtract this point, that is from load, so you have to subtract from this point to that point, obviously in that direction. If it is a generator, 0.4, where is 0.4, where is 0.4, you have to find out 0.4, that will be like that here, so you have to go through to here, and then you can get the minima shift or maximum shift. That minima shift is one of the important key parts of finding this. So my dear students, I think I have tried to make you understand that how you could find out and how you could make the minima shift, and how you could really calculate it. If it is a minima shift 0.4, that is 0.4, so just take these 2 points, subtract it from here to there, and if the value of lambda is 5 centimeter, just multiply it and find out the result. It is the minima shift. So that is the end of my lecture that I have given you to the basic of the complete Smith chart. I hope that will help you most. By practicing it, you can achieve more things and achieve proficiency in doing mathematics in Smith chart. And there is the chart that the scale are also given here. Okay, these scales have been just given horizontally in the lower part of the Smith chart.